If you ever been stuck sounding almost advanced but not quite there, this is for you. In this lesson, I break down the gospel move that instantly separate intermediate players from musicians who sound mature, intentional, and professional. We're going to use the song God is Able to teach you this concept. Let's just go straight to the lesson. All right? Now what I'm doing right now, I'm going to keep playing the track, and then so that you can hear what I just did at the beginning of the video. Let me just demonstrate that. All right. Okay, let me just show you what I did. This is one lesson where I actually apply a lot of the stuff that I've taught you before at the beginning, where I ask you to learn the melody and then to put harmony around the melody to dress it up. For example, the melody stay here, and I'm also using drop twos in this lesson. Okay, those are small chords again for a musician who want to play beautiful chords without, you know, bunch of notes in it. So see right here, this is all drop two. All right, then I'm going to use a tritone right here. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, and I'm going to go down fourth, and I'm going to do see, this is 10th. You can do it here, then A minor, see, tritone. Then sus4, then so in this lesson, you're mostly gonna see a lot of drop twos. Again, I think I like this version better. Huh? So like I've always been pushing drop twos because I know how important they are, because those are the ones that actually help you sound great without even to put a lot of chords in your playing. See, because I could have done. Those are bigger chords, but the goal of this is not to play those big chords. It's to actually show you how to use drop twos in those songs, which would actually make you sound still great. Let me just play it with the bigger chords. But we don't need all that, because with this we could do like what's important is to know what drop you can do, and also as you're moving from one fourth, from like say A, there's a 7-3-6 right here. 7. This is 3 and then 6. You can do 3 again, 4. Then you go from 4, go down to 1. You get me? This is 1. This is 7. See? See? It's important for you to add those to your playing. And that song has a pretty nice example of how you can use just 7-3-6 to actually make the sound God is able to do sound great. All right, thank you. See you in the next lesson.